watcher and subscribers, now we are in the next tutorial of pandas, and here in this tutorial we will see how we can do the updation in the file. Means suppose if any wrong information is there, so how we can change that information. So in this tutorial we will handle data, and we will assume now this is applicable for the short database, and later on we will tackle some problem that is applicable for the long database in the file. So now here we are taking the file c.csv and we are using in this program, and first we will check the content of this file through output. So these are the content of the file, total 7 8. So this is what the information, and index position, this is 0, and these are the index position. And particularly I want to update some value. Suppose this is the value of Rahul belonging to the age 19, so I want to update this value. So this 19 belonging to the column age, and index position is 7. So these two things are important, age and index position. So I want to change that particular record. So how we can change that we will see through the coding. So I just erase this, and now here we will do the code for that. So we have to use df.loc method, and then you have to specify the index position, that will be 7, and our column was age. And finally then you just specify the new value. Suppose I want 50 age. So now you have to print that by using print statement, and now we will check the output. It should come 50 for the record 7, means the index position 7. So you see index position 7. Now the Rahul age is changed. So in this way you can do the data correction. But this is the applicable for the short database. But suppose you have the lakhs of record, then this thing is very tedious and very difficult. So how you can handle that we will see now. So the things are very simple. You have to use for loop. Then suppose I am taking for x in index. Here you have to use df.index, and by using this for loop you can scan all the record, all the index position you can scan, and then finally you have to use df.loc method. And here I have to specify this x, and the column you have to specify here. So our column is as usual age, and I want to specify condition here which is greater than equal to 100. So if a particular age is greater than equal to 100, then here again you have to use if statement, if, and so our condition is very simple. In that particular record, if the age is greater than equal to 100, then what we are supposed to do. So then I want df.loc, and that same thing you have to repeat here. So here that age means in place of that, if the age is greater than equal to 100, then I will print that message not eligible. So if this condition is satisfied, then in that particular record we will get not eligible message. And then finally once this scanning is over, we will print, means out of the loop, we will go out of the loop and we will show that record. So that statement I am taking out of this loop, and then we will check the output here. So you can observe here in this two record, the age is greater than equal to 100. So we are getting the message not eligible. So this concept is more helpful if you are having thousands of record, because you cannot check one record. So you can simply put the condition, you can do the scanning of all record, and once you do that, you can easily change your wrong information. Now suppose in place of getting this, I want to drop that record. So if suppose you want to drop that particular record, you have to use drop method here, and here you should not write anything, and here you have to do change in place equals to true. So in the previous tutorial also we have handled such kind of situation, and you have to change this bracket. So here in the drop method we have to use that round bracket, and then as usual we are writing this statement. So what happen here, it will drop that particular record if it is greater than, age value is greater than equal to 100. So now you can see total here 8 records are there, and this record Vinoj 102, so it is drop, and I just maximize, and the next record of Vikram which got the value 100, that is also not here, and remaining all records are there. We just see it once again. So we got removed some record. So in this way we can remove the record if the particular information is not suitable or wrong. So this technique is used if you have the large database, and it is very useful. So such kind of coding you can put if you are handling large amount of information. So I hope, dear student, you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.